Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
This short video explains how to adjust the Tesla trunk height safely and reliably. First, confirm you are parked and the trunk is closed or partially open. Use the car touchscreen or the physical trunk switch to move the trunk. Measure or estimate desired clearance in inches for your garage or ceiling. We will show you how to set a specific height and save it. Follow each step slowly to avoid damage. Keep children and pets away while testing the new height setting. Open the trunk using the touchscreen menu or the trunk button on the key fob. Move the trunk up or down until it reaches your desired height for clearance. Use an assistant to measure clearance in inches while you adjust the position. Press and hold the trunk close button on the edge until you hear one chime and then a second confirmation chime. The car stores the setting as the new maximum height automatically. Test opening the trunk again to confirm the saved position. If the trunk does not save the height, try a soft reboot of the car software first. Check for software updates if problems persist and install them before retrying. Avoid setting a height that leaves less than 5 inches clearance from any obstruction. If the trunk scratches or hits an obstacle, increase the height and retest immediately. To reset to a new height, open the trunk to the new position and press and hold the close button until you hear the chime. Contact Tesla.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.